Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your modem is online and any required credentials are at hand, because the mesh needs an upstream connection. Once done, connect the primary mesh node to the modem with Ethernet, then power it. Make sure to place that primary node in a central, elevated spot to maximize coverage. Thin walls and appliances degrade signals. You'll log into the Mesh app or web setup next, so have your Wi-Fi name and a strong password ready now. You add satellite nodes through the Mesh app by following pairing prompts. This ensures secure keys are exchanged automatically. Once a satellite pairs, position it roughly one room away from the main node so it can get a strong backhaul while still reaching dead spots. Use the device LEDs or app signal meter to judge link quality. If the app shows weak throughput, move the satellite closer by a meter or two and retest. Keep a consistent naming scheme, so you finish by configuring SSID, choosing WPA2 or WPA3 encryption, and enabling automatic firmware updates so security stays current. Once done, set up a guest network and enable Co-S for priority devices because that reduces lag for calls and gaming. If clients don't see the new mesh, reboot the primary node first, then satellites. Make sure the Ethernet backhaul is connected if used. If issues persist, perform a factory reset on the affected node and reprovision it through the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.